10-4, Boogie Shoes Drip. The drip sows I made to the Grand at Greene County last summer. As good and as deep as a 10-liter is, I do think -4 combines his two mate brothers. He's as sharp in terms of his presence out of the front side of his shoulder as one. From there back, he's as big and broad and opened up as another. Awesome in terms of his rear view. Perfect in terms of his skeletal quality. One that props up with a very captivating image from the side. 10-4 is a short lister for me.